Hi Kay, this is a video just for you to show that this keyboard is fully working. And what would you like to do? I have put in our own SSD or hard drive. This is Windows 11 with our own hard drive. Your hard drive is currently taken out. Just for testing purposes, so we don't request your password. I'll just show you on the WordPad, for example. I'll make the font bigger. Okay. So I'll just type in the keys. So starting from the numbers all the way. The backspace is working. Tab key. Caps lock is now on. I turned it off. Enter key is working. Now shift key. And let go of the shift key. That's also working. Yep, and the right shift key is also working. Good. And now Control S to save. That's working. Windows button. Good. Alt F4, which is the shutdown close program. That's also working. Escape key is working. And the left arrow, right arrow, up and down. And in terms of the function keys, so this is the brightness. Brightness, as you can see, is working. Usually that's external screen. Yep. Options, that's good. Keyboard backlight, that's working. And mute options, yep, that's working. Volume down, volume up. And if there's any content playing, that will also work. Airplane mode. And to have F1 working, for example, so by default, it's set to question mark, but if I hold the F1 key on the bottom left, if I hold it and press any of the keys, it will actually serve the purpose of actual function keys. Sorry, had an interruption there. So F3, for example, that's working fine. F4, there's no function for this. But the keys are all working. And just to show every key is working, this little program will tell us when a key is pressed. So here we go, escape, function. So F11 key, I believe, is not working. Media track is working. F11 is now working, sorry. But sometimes you are right, it is not working. Okay, that is a confirmed problem. Unless the input for the program went to another screen. F11 key, again, it's not working. It's working. No, F11 doesn't register. So it's really random. Okay.